Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain how to create your own virtual instance in AWS as well as tell you how to perform a remote connection through your local Nginx system. So as you can see, currently we are in dashboard of AWS console. Here we need to search for EC2. As you can see, EC2 is in the services. Just click on it. EC2 is the virtual servers for cloud. Yeah, now we have arrived in the EC2 page. Here you can see many options like account attributes, explore, launch instances, server health, and many more things. In the left side in the menu, you can see there are many options. In that, just click on instance. Now you can see we just arrived in instance page. There are multiple options like instance state, actions, launch instance, and many more. We just click on launch instance. Yeah. This will take you to another page which will help us create a virtual instance. So we just need to name it. We'll name it CICD trial. Okay. And remember the name should be in small letters, not in the capital. And select AWS Linux. Okay. Leave the AMI as default. Everything as default. Instant type should be t2.micro, and here we need to create a new key pair. Just enter the name. Okay, as you can see, it is already existing. Just name it trial2, and key pair type should be RSA, which is by default, and file format should be .pem, which is used for SSH remote connection. Now just click on create key pair. Now it will ask you where to download it. Just download it somewhere for now. Okay. Next, go down. Keep everything as default and click on launch instance. Here, as you can see, it is creating the instance. Just wait for a few moments. Now, yeah, you will get a message like success. Uh, that means the instance has been launched successfully. Just uh, click on it. Now it will take you to another page which contains the summary of the instance. The first thing you need to see is the instance state, which is running. It means the instance is running. We just can directly connect to it. And also it has IPv4 address, public IPv4 address, which is used for connecting remotely from any device or something. Now again click on instance once again. Now this will take you to instances. As you can see, I had previously done another instance just for practice. Okay, the current one is CICD trial, which is currently running. I'll just quickly show how it looks like. Just click on connect. Now it will ask you many things. Instance, connect, session management, SSH client, and many more. Just keep everything as default and keep in mind that your username is EC2 user. Click on connect. Now it will take you to another page which will establish a connection uh, to your virtual instance which is in the server in the AWS. Now yeah, you can see Amazon Linux 2023. This is the operating system version which we just created as a virtual instance. Yeah. Now just for thing. Yeah, as you can see, I just uh, check the SSH version, which is there, Open SSH. Okay. Now go back to your file explorer. Go to the location where you have downloaded the .pem file. Just copy it and paste it in your WSL Linux, which is my Ubuntu 24.04. Now go to home. Okay, now I'll just paste it here. Okay, now we need to change the permissions for this .pem file to be able to access through uh, SSH. For that, we'll open Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, okay, ls. Now go to the location. Hmm, EICD. Okay, now you can see there we have trial2.pem. We need to change the permission for it. Okay, just edit this, change the .pem file name as trial2 and remove everything. Okay, let's click on this. Now we have changed the permission, and to verify that, we can just type ls l. Okay, trial2.pem. Yeah, as you can see, we have changed the permission. It is there. Now we'll do a remote connection from this Ubuntu local Ubuntu to the Amazon Linux. Okay. For that, first we need to check like do we have SSH, which every system by default it has. So as you can see, we already have SSH. Next, we need the command. As you we need As you can see, I just entered a SSH command which performs remote connection, which does connection between local system to virtual instance. Okay, I'll just quickly explain how this command works. This is the SSH, and this .pem is the file which we will be needing to access it. So we just quickly change the name trial2.pem. in and this EC2 user is the username which we require to access Amazon Linux. Now after the we need the IP address of this Amazon Linux. Just quickly go back to instances and click on the instance which is currently running, and down you can see the IPv4 address. Just copy that and paste it here. Now as you can see, the command is fully ready, and press enter. When you press enter, it will ask you a bunch of questions and give you some content. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yeah. So just enter yes, and yeah. Okay, permanently added. Yeah, now you can see we just remotely connected Amazon Linux 2023, which is what do you say, in the virtual, which is in the cloud. We just perform a remote connection between that virtual instance and our local system. Okay, just ls. As you can see, there is no file or anything. I just create a mkdir cicd. Now this creates a CI/CD folder. I'll just quickly go into that CI/CD folder and create another file, touch complete.txt, and quickly verify it. Okay, as you can see, I have created a folder. We'll just go back, ls. We have created a folder as well as F5 CICD. Yeah, we just quickly check in the instance as well. ls, as you can see, the folder which I have created in my local version is available in the online as well. So this means the remote connection was successful. We'll just quickly check inside as well. CI, CD, CICD, KLS. Yeah, as you can see, I already have, I can see a complete.txt which we created in the local system. So this way we can connect a virtual instance to a Linux system which is local, and to exit we just type exit. As you can see, there is a logout return text there. That means the instance has been logged out. So we can safely exit from here. Just do Control W. Yeah, and just refresh it. As you can see, the instance is still running. So we can do bunch of stuff with this, like select the instance and click on instance state. Here you can see there are multiple options like stop instance, reboot, and terminate. Currently we will be doing terminate. Just click on terminate. Yeah, as you can see, we can see a message successfully initiated termination. So whenever next time we log in again, the terminated instance will be gone. So thank you for watching. See you again.